Every thought you have, every move you make, and every sensation you feel is powered by the most complex communication network known to science, the human nervous system. It operates with astonishing speed, processes millions of signals every second, and shapes every aspect of your physical, emotional, and cognitive experience. Today, we're exploring the electrifying world of this system and how its function is deeply connected to the laws of electromagnetism. The nervous system works much like a vast biological supercomputer with two primary divisions. One, the central nervous system, CNS. This is the command center of the body. The brain processes information, makes decisions, stores memories, and orchestrates behavior. The spinal cord serves as the main data highway connecting the brain to everything else. 2. The peripheral nervous system, PNS. This is the network of nerves branching out from the spinal cord to every organ, muscle, and sensory receptor. It carries two-way information: sensory input toward the brain, motor instructions away from it. But the true miracle lies in how this information travels. Communication within the nervous system happens through an incredible cell called the neuron. A neuron has three major parts: dendrites, antenna-like structures that receive incoming signals; cell body, the decision center that processes information; axon, a long cable-like fiber that sends signals forward. Neurons do not physically touch. They communicate at tiny gaps called synapses. Here's how a signal travels. 1. An electrical impulse moves down the axon. 2. At the synapse, this electrical message triggers the release of neurotransmitters. 3. These chemical messengers cross the gap. 4. They start a new electrical signal in the next neuron. This electrical relay system happens trillions of times per day, the literal speed of thought. Imagine you touch a hot stove. Sensory neurons detect heat and danger. The signal travels rapidly up the PNS to the spinal cord. Before the brain gets involved, the spinal cord triggers a swift motor response. Muscles contract, pulling your hand away instantly. Only after this reaction does the signal reach the brain, where you consciously realize that was hot. This lightning-fast reflex arc shows the nervous system's efficiency and its reliance on electrical signaling. Now we step into the invisible world behind all these signals: electromagnetism. Every electrical impulse in a neuron generates a magnetic field. Every moving charged particle inside the body creates electromagnetic waves. This means the human body is not only electrical, it is profoundly electromagnetic. Electrical and magnetic fields are inseparable. Neurons rely on electrical gradients to fire. Cellular communication depends on electromagnetic interactions. The body's magnetic field shifts constantly based on internal signals. The nervous system is, in essence, an intricate electromagnetic network. Electromagnetic (EM) waves are created whenever electrically charged particles accelerate. They consist of two components: an electric field, a magnetic field. These fields oscillate perpendicular to each other and to the direction of travel, forming a transverse wave. Essential features of EM waves: they travel at the speed of light. They do not require air or matter. They can move through a vacuum. They are self-sustaining. The electric field creates the magnetic field, and the magnetic field creates the electric field. Their wavelengths vary dramatically: long, low-energy waves; radio waves; short, high-energy waves; gamma rays. From visible light to Wi-Fi signals to medical imaging, electromagnetic waves allow our universe to communicate. Inside the body, these same principles govern how neurons send messages, how cells organize, and how tissues respond to the environment. The nervous system is both biological and electromagnetic, a masterpiece of evolution that merges chemistry, electricity, and magnetism into a seamless symphony of communication. Understanding this architecture not only deepens our appreciation of the body, but opens doorways to new forms of science, healing, and technology.